Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing another squishy package, and this one is from Hannah M or Kawaii Creates on, what was it? It was like, she has a store Envy, but she also I think she has a store Envy, but I heard it from like her website. So you can check her out on YouTube, just type in Kawaii Creates. So she packaged it really nicely, but let me cover my address. Sticky notes to the rescue. Okay. My dog's just like chilling on my bed right there. Right there. Luna! Let me get her off. Luna, mama. Hi, baby. Come on. Eee. Guest appearance from my dog. Yeah, my baby. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, baby. Okay, you go eat your food. Look. Yeah. She like licked me. So on her shop, she sells Sammy squishies, and sorry, my dog, but for $5.50. But it's random, so I don't know what squishy I got, and I'm really excited because I've never had a Sammy squishy. Well, not until I opened. Well, not until I opened this package. I haven't opened it, and I will also make a video on that one. But check for a note or an invoice. Okay, so there's no note or I just show my address. Wow, sticky note. It failed. But here's, I'll leave her links down below. Yeah, or she's also Hannah's wallet. Her business card is really cute. There it is. I'll leave her stuff down below. She gave me two. One of them says, thank you. So, let's get on to that. Feels big. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so I got this little Sammy. What is this lighting? It makes it look like I have a filter on here. Hold on. Okay, now it looks really dark. That's the best I can do. But here's a Sammy. I feel like it's gonna be dense, but I don't know. Wait, that's really soft. So yeah, squishy's pretty big compared to my hand, even though my hand is like really small. So yeah, here's the tag. Back. So that was everything I got, and you guys should really check her out because shipping was so fast. It came in about a week. It took 6 days, and the prices are really good. Shipping is, I think, $2.50, $3. I don't know, somewhere around there. It's really cheap. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. I just got a sticky note stuck to my chin. Great job. This is taking forever. Well. is it not working? God, out of breath. I can't do an intro. I'll probably just do it simple. Where's Michelle? I don't know. Oh God. Second try is always the worst. When did I do that? I have to film like 3 more videos. Peace out, YouTube. Ow! Finger. Why? Can you?